we are going dining setup and decor shopping at China Mall. This is their branch on the Spintex Road. I'm really enjoying Sunday shopping these days. It's less crowded and very smooth. Getting assistance is very easy and fast too. Obviously, most shops do not open on Sundays, but all the malls do open, so it's good for me. Anyways, we are starting off with their glassware options. This wine decanter is going for 148 Ghana cedi. Same thing at Palace Mall was significantly higher. I think I showed you that in last week's video, the one we did at Palace Mall. These are coasters. I don't know why I had to do a whole demonstration for it, but yeah, these are glass coasters. This cutting board was heavy, so heavy I was scared I was gonna drop it on my feet. But I think the cutting boards being heavy at these prices is actually a good thing. I don't know much when it comes to the kitchen. I don't know much when it comes to the kitchen, but I do know the cutting board must be thick and steady. This is the medium size. I'm not even gonna try lifting that. There we go. This is another heavy one, but I think I can lift this one. I like the black metal handle as opposed to the gold one mixed with the silver metal. Now let's check their serving plates and bowls section. Okay, these are plastic plates. No, we are not interested in those. Okay, so when it comes to shopping at China Mall, the trick is getting a feel for the product. And that's what I mean. Most products here look like good quality from afar. Now you get close to the products and the only thing that is good about the product is the price. Now don't get me wrong, China products are everywhere. The main difference is if you are looking for everyday items made in China, be it good quality or otherwise, this is where you should be because arguably they give you the best price.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Something like this, the price is good, but it feels very flimsy, or more like cheap price, cheap products for this one. You get what I mean? I don't know why these irons on display. Are people actually buying just based off of the box? At least they should display one. That is a sign that we have to investigate employee compensation. The employees are not happy. Love that they have lots of options in terms of color, different shapes and sizes to choose from. This is my favorite and the one I would recommend because it is well made. I don't see any excess straws and it feels durable. This is the bigger size of what we just checked. You can use this in a lot of different ways as storage or decorative piece in the bathroom or the kitchen. And even depending on your style, you can use it in the bedroom. I was about to leave my key. How much is this one? 17.